What is going on, guys? We are gonna go take a quick drive to go get some of our favorite boba at our favorite boba place here in town. So let's go ahead and get you guys some clips of Drive the Matrix as it sits. Let's go.
Search everywhere.
It's fine. Alright guys, we are at 12T, the Del Monte Ranch location, and I want to introduce you guys to someone really special because he is the owner of 12T and he has an insane Supra. I'll put his Instagram right here. But this, it's Hoan, right? Hoan. Yes. Yeah. Introduce yourself to the YouTube channel.
What's up, guys? My name's Hoan from 12T. Nice to meet you guys. Cousin Boba all day, every day. So I got that.
He hates being put on the spot, so I love doing that to him. I'm good. Hey, so that's the trick. That's the trick. You give anyone a couple shots, and they're good in front of the camera. Absolutely, good in front of the camera.
So I just got a shot for you right here. This is strawberry popping boba and also mango jelly. So
mango jelly.
Try it out and see how you like it.
Cheers.
Because I'm not a fan of like normal boba, but I like the popping boba with the jelly.
That's so good.
Pretty okay? Mm-hmm. All right. So
yes, please.
Happen to know what kind of drink you like today?
Let's try. You guys have so many options.
Yeah,
oh my goodness. Dude, I love 12T. You guys are so sick.
We appreciate you guys.
Ooh. Can I do like so? Is this mean lychee and lychee strawberry?
We can do lychee strawberry, lychee rose.
What is the difference between what is lychee rose?
Lychee rose is kind of like a combination of both, like a little bit of rose and also lychee.
Okay.
It has like a floral flavor to it.
Oh, it has a floral flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try. You know, we're gonna try lychee rose.
Lychee rose.
Yeah, I'm gonna go completely in the dark. I've never tried any of this. Ooh.
What? You do like lychee popping boba or lychee jelly?
Let's do the strawberry popping boba that you did,
gotcha.
and then can we do lychee or lychee jelly? Yes.
I'll do half and half.
Dude.
Perfect. All right. Give me a couple minutes, brother. I'll get that right out for you.
He knows me. He knows me. I appreciate you, Hoan. Yes. So you guys, if you ever are in the Reno area, South Reno to be exact, 12T has 2 locations. This is not a sponsored video. I just came to hang out with Hoan. I didn't even know he was here, so I'm super stoked. He's the owner, and he's an amazing guy. So we're gonna get our lychee. What do we get again? We got our lychee strawberry smoothie with lychee or strawberry poppin' boba and lychee jelly. That's a lot, but I know I'm gonna enjoy it. So we're gonna go ahead and hang out for a little bit, and after that, I'll see you guys when we are about to go. See you then. Alright guys, we just got done at 12T. Thank you so much, Hoan, for the hospitality, like always. I got a fire-ass lychee smoothie, which is amazing. Can't go wrong with that. God damn. Woo! So good, so sweet. Just exactly what I needed, the exact pick-me-up I needed. So we're gonna go ahead now and go to my other favorite store in town because we're in town, so why not? And I need to pick some stuff up. So let's go do that real quick. Let's go. I didn't flick you off. Really? What is everyone? Oh my God, what is with everyone today? Bruh. I know for a fact my camera did not record that, but man, I love getting off the freeway with my turn signal on and having other people put their turn signal on hella late and almost coming into me. And then I didn't flick her off. Like, I literally put my finger like this outside the window to say, turn your signal. And she rolls down the window and puts a middle finger. If that ain't America, I don't know what the hell is, bro. Damn, cuz, like, American mentality is put the middle finger up and just, man, get pissed off, bro. People need to drive better and they need to get less frustrated, bro. Like, swear. God damn. All right, ran over. We're getting to our favorite place, so don't worry. We're not gonna be mad for much longer. All right, I swear to God. I swear to God. I made it to my favorite tool place in the entire world. We are at none other than Harbor Freight's tool truck. Let's go inside and see what we can get. Let's do this. Harbor Freight gets me again. So upgraded, got, oh, that's SE, that's SE, metric. I'm glad I looked because I need to get the metric versions of those. I'll be right back. Well, damn, I'm sure glad I checked because I got SAE instead of metric 1/4" sockets, which shout out to Roland for helping me out. He is the store manager of this location. So cool guy, and I always see him and I say hi when I come into this location. And this is the flagship location in Reno. We splurged a little bit and got you know, some things that we needed to get. If you watched the previous video, I talked about how I wanted to basically to switch out all of the, oh, I forgot I was low. Yeah, I forgot I was low, damn. But I wanted to switch out all of my sockets out for icon ones. So we now are on the journey to do that, and before we know it, we'll have icon everything. That's the plan. So yeah, all right. Got one more thing we got to do today, and then after that we are going to a little graduation party. So I'm really excited to go and hang out with some of my good friends, and we'll go from there. All right, see you guys in a little bit. That don't like the exhaust note, I'm gonna be modifying the exhaust soon so that instead of the muffler it has a resonator, so that's gonna come soon. But for right now, I just wanna hear the pops and bangs. Like, now that it's lowered, I don't want it to sound quiet, so to speak. I want it to be a louder car, but it definitely the tone needs to change. It shouldn't drone, but you know what? I'm basically driving it right now straight pipe so that I can get myself to get a resonator slash muffler and do the damn thing of putting not a custom exhaust, but kind of like a AcePro exhaust, because there's not really many companies that make exhaust for the XRS. So I'm gonna be cutting and welding the exhaust and putting a resonator in so that it looks good, it's clean, it fits up nicely into the pocket that is where the muffler sits. And yeah, so thank you guys so much again for coming with me. If you guys like this type of videos, definitely like and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be trying to do more videos like this. And huge shout out to Hoan today from 12T for just all the hospitality and being an amazing person. You're gonna be seeing a lot more of him on the channel, hopefully. And then also thank you to Roland from Harbor Freight, that he always hooks me up when I'm there and just helps me out. So yeah, put good out in the world and you get good back. That's all I can say, at least. And if you guys like these shirts, comment down below and say the shirts are fire so that I know that you watched to the end. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Mahalo nui loa for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. And always remember, guys, never forget, always stay positive and stay true to who you are. Take care. Lights, shoots, K. Peace. Bye. See you in the next one.